Serene for kids. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Today, we are going to talk about a very special day. A day that comes every single week. A day full of blessings, mercy, and joy. That day is Jummah, also known as Friday. For Muslims all around the world, Friday is not just another day. It is the best day of the week. A day chosen by Allah for worship, prayer, learning, and kindness. In this video, we will learn why Friday is special in Islam, what Muslims do on Jummah, the importance of Jummah prayer, simple good deeds to do on Fridays, and how kids and families can enjoy this beautiful day together. So let's begin our journey into the beauty of Jummah. The word Jummah comes from an Arabic word that means gathering. It is called Jummah because Muslims gather together on this day to pray and remember Allah. Friday is mentioned specially in the Quran. In fact, there is an entire chapter called Surah al-Jummah. Allah tells us that Friday is a time to leave our work for a little while. Come together. Listen carefully. And remember Him. This shows us how important this day truly is. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that Friday is the best day of the week. He told us that on Friday, Adam, peace be upon him, was created. Adam entered paradise. And important events in the future will also happen on a Friday. Friday is a day when Allah gives extra rewards for good deeds. Even small actions, like smiling, helping, or saying kind words, become more special on this day. That's why Muslims look forward to Friday with happy hearts. Friday is not rushed. It is a day we prepare for. Muslims are encouraged to wake up early, take a bath, ghusl, wear clean and nice clothes, use pleasant perfume, and have a clean heart and good intention. Parents often help children get ready, teaching them. This is a special day. Let's look our best for Allah. Preparing for Jummah teaches us cleanliness, discipline, respect, and gratitude. One of the most important parts of Friday is the Jummah prayer. Instead of praying duha at home, Muslim men gather at the mosque for Jummah. Women may also attend, and children often come with their families. The prayer has two parts. The khutbah, sermon. The prayer. During the khutbah, everyone listens quietly. We learn about faith, good manners, being kind, helping others, and loving Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him. Listening carefully is very important. It teaches patience, focus, and respect. Jummah teaches us many beautiful lessons. It teaches us unity. People from different backgrounds stand side by side, rich and poor, young and old, equal before Allah. It teaches us community. We meet friends, neighbors, and family. It teaches us remembrance. We pause our busy lives to remember why we are here. And it teaches us kindness. Friday is a perfect day to help someone, share food, visit relatives, or forgive others. There are many special acts Muslims love to do on Friday. These include sending salawat, peace and blessings, upon Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Making dua, because there is a special time when du'as are accepted. Reading Surah Al-Kahf. Giving charity, even a small amount. For children, this can mean saying, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Sharing toys. Helping parents. Or making a small dua before bedtime. Every good deed counts. Jummah is also a family day. Families often eat together, talk about what they learned, share stories about the prophets, peace be upon them, remind each other to be thankful. Parents can ask children, "What did you learn today?" And children can proudly share their thoughts. These moments build love, faith, and strong families. Jummah is not just a day. It is a gift from Allah. A gift of time. A gift of peace. A gift of togetherness. Every Friday is a new chance to learn, grow, be kind, and come closer to Allah. So when Friday comes, smile, be thankful, and remember, Jummah is a special day, made special for us. Jummah Mubarak. Serene for kids.